Welcome to the third and final session of today's Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. We have a special guest this morning, and before that, partner, magpapasalamat tayo sa ating sponsors. In behalf of PSA President Nelson Beltran, salamat po, of course, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Nestle Philippines, Smart, PLDT, and Arena Plus. I'm Randy Calwag of Manila Standard. Good morning,
And
partner.
I'm Judith Karingalon. Magandang hapon na po sa ating lahat. Welcome to our PSA Forum. We are at our FB page, Philippine Sports Writers Association, and likewise on a delayed basis of the Radyo Pilipinas to sa ating pa rin sports radio, 918 kHz sa ating AM band, and hope that you are with us. So it's always a pleasure to have here with us the chairman of our Philippine Sports Commission. We have some announcements and updates from Chairman Richard Bachman. Chairman Richard, take it away. Good morning.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. And first off, I want to apologize na medyo we had to transfer you here because we do have the para PNG going on. I hope this is okay with all of you. At least medyo close tayo lahat.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for your patience. All right. Now, for this morning, I just want to address something that happened yesterday. All right. Now, allow me to read my statement. I have become aware of a letter allegedly authored by PSC Commissioner Matthew Gaston, dated November 6, 2024, which has been disseminated without authorization to media outlets and shared publicly on social media. This letter contains serious allegations regarding my leadership and certain decisions made within the Philippine Sports Commission. First and foremost, I categorically deny any claims of misconduct or impropriety related to my position as chairman of the PSC. The allegations made against me, particularly those concerning financial decisions and requests for reimbursements, are misleading and lack substantial evidence. I have always conducted myself with utmost integrity and have remained committed to transparency and responsible management of the Commission's resources. I understand that as public servants, we are subject to scrutiny and must be held accountable for our actions. I welcome any fair and impartial investigation that aims to clarify these claims and promote accountability within the Commissioner. However, I also stress that public accusations, particularly when leaked or shared outside proper channels, have the potential to undermine the trust and unity necessary with our institution. The unauthorized leak of this letter and the resulting media attention have not only damaged my reputation, but also created unnecessary division within the PSC. I am currently considering appropriate actions to address the unauthorized dissemination of the letter, including consulting with relevant authorities and exploring legal measures if necessary. It is my hope that moving forward, all matters concerning the PSC, including legitimate concerns and criticisms, are addressed within the bounds of proper protocol and due process to maintain the integrity of our institution and ensure that we remain focused on serving the athletes and the greater Philippine sports community. I remain steadfast in my commitment to lead the PSC with transparency, responsibility, and dedication as we continue our mission of supporting and uplifting Philippine sports. Maraming salamat po.
Okay. Chairman, can we talk a bit specific on that mentioned, ano ba? Nakalabas na ito, no? Diba? Anong specific po yan na case, in a way? Para lang may idea, even other members of media na hindi aware as regards to the issue ba, as we say, and call it?
Yeah, how I would want to answer everything here, but with my letter, I would rather follow the proper protocol. So this is, we should keep it in PSC and in government with the President as well. So
Yes.
I would rather follow proper protocol and announce it to all.
Commissioner Gascon is a member of the board of the PSC and you are the chairman. Will there be a chance for a dialogue right after, this statement of yours?
Yeah, I'm sure we will have. It just happened yesterday, so I'm sure we will have, and then we'll actually be in Senate this afternoon for our budget hearing at 3 p.m.
Yes. Questions from the floor? Joey. Okay, yes. Joey Villar, Philippine Star.
Chairman, this is maibala na konti sa Batang Pinoy. So, kumusta na po yung preparation for the Batang Pinoy and sama mo na rin po yung BIMP Yaga kung ano. Thank you.
Yeah, so we actually opened the Para PNG already. You can see all our facilities are with all the para athletes right now going on, especially also in field sports. Now in Batang Pinoy, we open in 2 weeks. The staff is actually leaving today. The figures, we had a meeting yesterday for all the department heads involved already. So the figures I'm getting is for the Batang Pinoy athletes, it's around 11,000 plus, close to 12,000, and coaches are actually close to 3,000. So again, I thank our PSC employees because kumbaga medyo sunod-sunod yung mga events and all our employees are spread out. So I do thank the PSC for all their hard work.
Chairman, ito yung my question is about yung delicate ng issues within the bounds dapat ng PSC. Oo, dapat nasa board lang sana yung usapan, but it goes out na sa lahat, sa public. And right now, Chairman, is there a chance na ma-patch up muna ito bago, yun nga, sabi mo, you have to go to the legal remedies?
Definitely naman. You have to understand, Commissioner Fritz used to work for my father. He used to work also for our family business. So there is that bond we have. So again, this is just something that, we just have to solve on our own, and hopefully they can actually just focus on the protocols, proper protocols when announcing things.
Yeah, Chairman, medyo hihiwalay ako ng konti. Chairman, any update po dun sa budget na panalunan ng PSC through Coach Yeng Giao?
So far, wala pang news. So I have a feeling na medyo matagal pa yun. But I think we will also, those are one of the questions at least from the Senate mamaya. So we will see later kung anong.
How do you feel about the issue? Will this, in a way, affect the work? Especially, we have this last quarter storm, diba? For the PSC, we have a lot of projects and games.
It's gonna take more of this than to break me. My agenda is for the athlete and for uplifting sports. Wala akong agenda.
Okay? Yes, Clyde?